Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your problem with our cellular data. So if cellular data is not working on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing, first thing, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find cellular data or mobile data. Just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can try to open cellular data options and just tap on voice and data and just try to use 3G if you use LTE and just connect to LTE again. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so you can also just try to turn on airplane mode, wait for a second and just turn it off. So after you can try to go to the general. In the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power the phone again. So just simply restart your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your phone. So just go to the general. In the general just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it was successful. It says latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.